This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com with a quick video. Stock we're going to be taking a look in this video is CVLB. Stock was mentioned for paid subscribers January 21st of 2020, just about 3 weeks ago. Let's take a look at the chart here. So the breakout that I sent out to paid clients was somewhere January 21st. So in essence, this is the breakout right there. The breakout was just under 11, around 10 actually. And you can see that in the last couple of weeks, about a week or so, about a month or so, the breakout coming there, the stock has had a fantastic run. Very desirable move. This is exactly what we look for when trying to time breakouts. And of course, you never know which one of the candidates are going to do excitingly well, but at least you know what it takes and the minimum requirements. In this video, I'm not even going to talk about the ultimate Muathe breakout. But if you're new to this, links are going to be in the description for this method. What I want to discuss in this video is trying to understand the market's message. We need to appreciate that the market has an idea of what's going to happen down the road. And this move here, or this move, this big move, was in anticipation of this. This is not a stupid move here. This instrument was moving during this period. The reason why it was moving, if you understand and appreciate this, it's a market message. The anticipation here is that there is a possibility it might trade here, if not above it. And so all these people are climbing over each other to own the instrument. Now what happens is that they move it too far, too quick, and it has to reset. This reset in itself is extremely important to understand. This is a desirable rest period. Very desirable. For the following reasons. Number one, it gets rid of all those who are not confident about the prospects. So all weak hands get out. It also forces those who have no patience out. And while all that is taking place, it gives institutions who know what they are doing ability to buy back all of these lower priced instruments without any type of a hurry. So they love the sideways action because it allows them time to buy, build up positions. Because believe you me, they know this is coming. Now it might come in February like it did, or it might come in July. They don't care. It might come in 2023. They don't care. See, the thing is, we have to appreciate institutions are not in a rush. It's the individual trader who is. They can hold on to these instruments for months, if not years, as long as eventually it gets where it's supposed to go. But what you and I can do is, since we don't know when an instrument is going to be back on its winning ways, all we need to understand is any successful breakout should be something to pay attention to. Now, let's not also trivialize that there were failed breakouts here. This is part of the game. Not all breakouts are successful. And if you understand that, then every breakout attempt is worth paying attention to. And you can see here, finally, things get cooking. So yes, failed breakouts are part of trading. You can't avoid them. And you also can't avoid the fact that an instrument is going to have to break out before it can see a substantial major move above prior highs. It has to break out. And since it has to break out, well, that's where you come in. So let's say an instrument has been trading sideways for a while, makes a high, let's call this a high, 11 and it goes sideways for a while. Now, you don't have to own it below 11. And if it clears the high, then there's a probability it wants to go higher. So our job is to take that opportunity to see how far it can go right there, which is the breakout strategy. We also need to understand that as it goes sideways here, you don't know that it's going to go sideways for 2 weeks, 2 years, 2 months, one day. You don't know. We don't know how long this digestion sideways period can be. It could actually even drift lower and never move above 11. So rather than being caught up in this down to sideways action, why not just patiently set an alert? And should it break out, you can show your interest. And before I forget, it is also very important that we appreciate, understand, and take advantage of the following. It is a very powerful stage. This move above 69.1. I'm going to keep repeating it. That's the weekly. Take a look at the daily. The move above 69.1. Take a look at the monthly. This is a beautiful looking chart. Recently reclaimed the 69.1 level here. And I talk about this in a concept I talk warm up. This is a warm up right here. This is the market. This is the market right here getting ready for this explosive move. So consider this. Why would an instrument trade above 69.1 for all these months, take a short break below 69.1, and then reclaim the level above 69.1? Why would it do that? And the reason is it had places to go. And of course, the most recent breakout met the ultimate Muathe breakout. And as I was saying in another recent video, if you understand the Muathe angle of penetration, then these things become very easy to spot. And of course, easy, quote unquote. It's not just easy, but at least you know what you're looking for. All right, I'll stop right there. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love, light, love. Namaste.